Hi, welcome to Health to Infinity with Yulia. Today we're going to be making your new favorite salad, rainbow salad. You will love this salad because it combines all the flavors all together in one, sweet, sour, and salty all together. Let's get started. First, we take peeled and washed one large beet, or you can use two small ones. I cut it up into small enough pieces so they fit into the food processor. I like to use ceramic knife because it's super sharp and they say it's healthier to use. I also use bamboo cutting board instead of plastic. If you want to get a ceramic knife or a bamboo cutting board, you can find it on my website. I'll put the link down below. Once I cut up the beet into small pieces, I push it through the food processor to shred it. If you don't have a food processor, you can use a simple hand grater. 2 peeled carrots and shredded as well. Once I'm done with the beets and carrots, we won't need the food processor anymore. I put the shredded beets and carrots into a stainless steel bowl. I prefer not to use a wooden bowl because they're harder to clean, especially with something like beets because it stains so easily. 1 large avocado, cut it in half. I know that it's not easy to find perfect avocados, but if it has just a little bit of brown spots, it's okay, you can still use it. Each half I cut into smaller pieces in a crisscross manner, and I scoop it into a mixing bowl with a spoon. Make sure to take out the seed out of your avocado, and do the same thing with the second half and scoop it out into the mixing bowl. 1 large peeled green apple. You can do it by hand, but I found it really useful to have an apple peeler at home. It takes literally a few seconds to peel an apple evenly without losing too much extra meat with the skin. And it takes only a few seconds to rinse the tool after using. You can find a link for it on my website. I'll put the link down below. It's not expensive, but it will definitely save you time. So we take the peeled green apple, decor it, and slice it into small cubes. When you are done, add it to the mixing bowl. A good handful of spinach leaves and roughly chop it. If you want to put more green leaves into your salad, it's up to you. You can use more than 1 handful. Sometimes I add 3 handfuls of spinach if I feel like I want more greens in my salad. Once you're done chopping, add it into the mixing bowl. 1 green onion stick, chop it and add it into the mixing bowl. If you don't like onions, you can skip it. In general, it's just a template of a salad the way I like to eat it. But you can change any proportion of the ingredient to your liking. Cilantro. I love cilantro. Take a small bunch of it and chop it. If you like to feel more flavor of it, add more. But basically, it should be at least 1/8 of a cup of chopped cilantro. Chop it and add it to the bowl. Sun-dried tomatoes. Take 1/4 cup of dry sun-dried tomatoes and soak them in water for at least 20 minutes. This way, they get soft and easy to cut. I prefer to use reverse osmosis instead of tap water. I'll have a video on this subject separately. After they're done soaking, you can dump the water out because you won't need it. This adds a great savory flavor. When you're done chopping, add it to the bowl. 1/2 cup of fresh blueberries. If you can't find fresh ones, frozen are fine. 1/4 cup of olives. 2 tablespoons of raw pumpkin seeds. The salad is finished. Let's get to the dressing. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of raw honey. Honey is not vegan, but you can use agave or coconut nectar to make it vegan. 1/2 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, or you can use 1 clove of fresh minced garlic. I don't use fresh garlic in my recipes to avoid garlic breath. Again, it's totally up to your preference. Mix it all well to one consistency. Pour your dressing on your salad and mix it all together very well using a large spoon. This is one of my favorite salads. It's delicious and nutritious. It cleanses your intestines. It brings literally a rainbow to your table. And now finally, let's try it. Let's try it. It's so good. It's explosion in your mouth. Abundance of flavor. I probably can eat the whole thing by myself. We should definitely try it. Really good. That's it for today's recipe. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe and click the bell. And let me know which dish you'd like me to uncook for you next. See you in the next video.